how to change chart background on cTrader using your mobile device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you ever want to change the background of your charts on cTrader, then the process is quite easy. First of all, open the cTrader application on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, go ahead and select any currency pairs or instrument from the home page. And once you get to the overview section, go ahead and open up the chart and then click on the gear icon at the bottom right corner and you will see the chart setting pop up. Scroll down from the chart setting pop-up and click on Set Custom Colors. Now, you can go ahead and select the background option under General and choose a different color from the palette at the bottom. After you tap on the color palette, you'll notice that your chart background has changed its color to your preference. Your chart background updates instantly. After you are happy with the color, you can also go ahead and select other options such as foreground, grid, etc. from the menu and adjust them to your liking. After you are done changing the background color, you can see the change take effect immediately. Now you can get back to the home page, and there is how you can easily customize your chart's background on cTrader. Now your chart looks exactly how you want them to appear. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video.